Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I want to talk about the boy, Mr. Constantine. When name Constantine, him have a white name, the Greek name to blow out. Lester Constantine. Yo, my youth, you are big pussy. I'm gonna tell you why you are big pussy.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Circle, are you me talk, Mr. Constantine? Now, you think me don't know about you, but me know say you are one dangerous piece of man, you know. And me know say, what you do, you send out the youths them, to go fight a ill-fated war. You understand? And you make whole heap of youth lose them life. Me know for a fact, at least 4 young men went out and fight your war. And me soon tell the people them where your war I come off for. But you see, you up a Dennery only is a savage. Now, which part you live? Gross Isolate or Dennery? That me wanna know. But me know where you live. Cause you pop up back in the place. You understand? And I go to your little social functions. You think me don't know? Ha ha.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Constantine, are you me attack? Now, in them called Circle. On a look on him, you know. Circle them call him. But me, I go change him name. And me, I go call you Rectangle. Like rectum, rectangle. Now, never tell you why rectangle is a bottom feeder. Pussy. Now, you have different kind of bottom feeder. You know, you have the bottom feeder scrubber, the bottom feeder pussy, the top bottom feeder, that would be like a 90. You understand? The scrubber and the pussy them are 87. No care how them act, them are 87. Now, me I tell you now, where rectangle do. Like I said, me change the name from circle to rectangle, like rectum. Alright. Now, them come from Dennery. And in Dennery, you have a youth that they name GAZA Boss. No, let me say it right. Him name Boss GAZA. But me I go call him GAZA Boss. If me flip the name, when nobody give me hell feet. Now Boss GAZA, him come from Dennery. See what him look like, yeah? Intel make me know say Boss GAZA used to do some work with a youth named Behave. Me not have Behave picture. But he used to do some work with Behave. Now, Boss GAZA is a man where run the water and he use Behave boat and he make couple trip for the boy when he Behave. And Behave wouldn't pay him and not pay him on time. So Boss GAZA hold on pan Behave boat and that's how the war kinda jump off. Now, I have to say this before me move on. I wonder if the man them a St. Lucia really want to make money. Because, yo, we don't have a good thing going on in the hustling. I speak directly to the boy Behave and the rest of man them Rectangle, and even the dead man, Boss Gaza. Una have some things that go on, money can make money. Una know say yo, St. Lucia a free passage for certain things. Ray. Me not inveigle a man for the crime. But we know say the government in a them place, they not do nothing for the people. So why una not make some money and work together and make yourself a man? Create a business, leg certain things, and move on, grow your pity them, and live till they get old. But what wanna do? Wanna use ego.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
The man here work with the man here, we start paying. The man there, he buy 2 boats, the man then start praying. And out of the whole of the island them, I make a bag of money compared to places like Jamaica and other places. Don't realize that it is really a shame and disgusting. It is really terrible all the youths them down there with certain kind of opportunity. I like to say, me nah focus, me nah preach crime, but the reality is, I saw it stay down there. You can be there and go on like, yeah, it's this and no. So if you not juggle, make no money and you work together, or it have to lead up to something like this. Let's go. Now, Boss Gaza, hold on the boat. And behave the man them come feet. So behave drive go up there, push pa Boss Gaza there. And Boss Gaza and him friend them attack behave, and Boss Gaza chop up him van them. Chop up behave van car. I think behave, I think one of them friend get chop up. And couple man get slap up with blood clot machine. And behave and him friend them cut. You understand? And then Boss Gaza, ignorant as him is, me just have to be honest, you know, chop up the man vehicle. So now, look how it gone, it escalate. Behave not pay the man to do the run. Now the man will on the boat. Behave come to the boat. Him chop up one of Behave man friend, homeboy or crew. You understand? Make Behave run left him things. And then Boss Gaza chop up the vehicle and burn it up. Money think about me now. Now, yes sir, the bottom feeder circle. And yes sir, him coming, going up in Dennery. Circle used to
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
With Gaza Boss. You understand? They were very close. We just had going to some prerequisites and synopsis on the situation prior, before all of this. Now, Square Man, cause I say name Square Rectangle. Mr. Rectangle and Boss Gaza grew up, and he used to be the driver for Boss Gaza. And Boss Gaza is a boss in that area because down on the port, if him say no man nah go see and no man can't go in on a boat, them have to respect him. Now, Rectangle, him know all of them things here, and him know say the war jump off. And guess what him do now? Him leave Boss Gaza and start flex with Behave them. You understand? Him and Boss Gaza grew up, you know. Bench and Batty, you know. That's why I call him a bottom feeder. Him and the man grew up. And him jump ship on the man. And go spar with Behave them. I give intel on Boss Gaza. And I tell Behave. And we don't know exactly what happened. I tell you what happened to Boss Gaza. And if the police don't know, I make them know. go to jail, for go to jail. Because you know what? We got some real pussy. Now back to the story. So Monday pass, Tuesday, Wednesday. Coming down to the weekend, Boss GAZA get page in the afternoon. You understand? By Behave and a man them. And I tell you now it go down. Now, Boss GAZA used to talk to a girl. Her name is Odessa. This is Odessa. Odessa calling Boss GAZA and he leave the port, cut through the church, and then the man then hear gunshot ring out. And that was the end of his life. Now some people, I say Odessa might line him up, but I don't believe that. I think the boy named Rectangle, because him jump ship on the man. And next thing you know, him up on the other side. Nothing happen, the man them a get intel. And then bam, him get a call from him girl. It's either them a watch the man, all day them a report. You know the twist all Odessa. Eventually, you know, the boy Circle get arrested. You understand? And Behave. And in a prison, the man then juke out one of Behave guy. And the boy Circle in the get catch with a Draco on the move there, you know. You understand? So him was the getaway driver to Behave them in the move to get rid of Boss GAZA. And him and Boss GAZA go up. And him and Boss GAZA roll. You understand? Behave make a fuck up plate on Boss GAZA. And Boss GAZA roll up on the boat. When Boss GAZA come for the boat, you understand? When things go down, GAZA chop up the man car. But I just want to say this. A man tell me one time, you know, him say, yo, countryman, if you come to St. Lucia, which I've been to St. Lucia a few times, him say, and you try do some kind of business, legit business, him say, a man I will do something to get you involved, you know. And you kind of see the man them have a set of bad mind in a them, dog. The bad mind in a them, it a burn like hellfire. Remember my blood clot. It create monsters and demons down at that bomber clot, yo. So, with that said, this is the story of Boss GAZA. And it's also the story on Rectangle. Fish see all the man them program as friends. You understand? Like what Popcorn say, with friends like those, who need enemy to bomb a clot, who need enemy. With friends like these, who need enemy, who need enemy. It is so true. Now Circle, now go and put out your bio. You understand? I'm gonna make the people them see say, you get your degree, Mr. Rectangle. You have a player, you have a PhD, a player hater degree underneath the quiet. You are sending you them in a war go kill off each other. And now una dey on peace. Me hear say you know all of the big time of them. You know Frog Face. You know Green Goblin, Green Goblin. You know Iron Front, Iron Pum Pum. And you try like you want to step up in the league. But them people there use a bottom feeder, them now make you reach nowhere. And you could have as much link as you want. You see from your friend killer, me not like you. And from your friend killer, countryman I go hunt you. What me say? No rest for the motherfucking wicked. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.